Good afternoon. Right, a quick show and tell. Melina, oh gosh, I can't remember. Pylant, Scrapbooking with Me's daughter has done these, but the original idea came from Septeria 18. I will link both videos below, and they are patchwork pockets. I think both of them called them those in the end, and the patchwork bit is in the middle here. And these are so easy and very, very addictive to do. So you can do them with a flop over top if you want to. They can be just straightforward, and obviously they're, you know, really different pockets. I really like this idea. So that's just a very simple one with a flower and a bit of stamping. This one is a larger one, obviously. You can see this was a piece of 8x8 paper. Now I have torn these. Septeria 18 cut all her straight, and it was Melina who done the tearing bit, you know, like us junk journalists like. So you can do it either way, straight or torn. It's completely up to you. So if you don't stick this bottom flap down, you end up with a little tuck spot. Okay, and obviously you can trim it up however you want. You can then also do it with a tie thingy-majiggy. You can either use a brad or you can do the little circles of card, like a solicitor's letter thingy. I don't know what they call it. Anyway, I think it was Melina that done these, stuck the tabs on the side as well. So yeah, so I've just been playing around with some of those, and I've kind of been the bit that takes the time is the patchwork bit in the middle, believe it or not. The rest of it is quite simple. So what I did was I got loads of scraps together and I've kind of mass made it. I've just stuck them all together, inked all the edges, different sizes, and this literally was just scraps and scraps and scraps out of my collage box, basically. Yeah, so you can use up all your odds and sods, basically. They don't need to be terribly big, and I'll show you why. So you can use paper or card. This is a piece of paper. Now the size of the envelope is completely up to you, and it is how you fold it. Okay, so basically I'm just going to try and kind of, you want to leave a gap in the middle, Susan. I keep forgetting to do that bit. Oh dear, it's sad. It's so hot here today, I'm absolutely cooking. The cat just doesn't know what to do with herself. Right, so fold a piece of paper or card, whichever you're going to use, and leave a gap in the middle. Now you can tear this edge, alright, if you want to. Completely up to you. If you're going to do a flop over top, it doesn't have to be all from the same bit. You can add a piece of paper there, so if you make it and then you think actually I'd like a top on, you can add that later. You can add it on after. I have with that one, it's actually the same piece of card that I folded over, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So the bottom piece, just fold that up. Actually, let's open that first, and then decide how deep you want your pocket. It's completely customizable, this is, okay? It's completely up to you. So I'll just make a bog standard straightforward one like that, basically, not with a torn edge though. Yep, so this is your fold up flappy bit. I say you just do whatever size you want, really. If you want to measure it out, go for it. I'll give you some rough idea of what sizes I ended up with, but I just got out scraps. I just didn't yeah, just scrapped it. Now I round the corners, again optional extra, you do not have to do this, but I just think it looks nice. And of course it's now stuck, of course it is. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, that could be why. A little, there we are. A little bit stuffed there. Let's get rid of those. Let's try that again. Right. So yeah, I'm just gonna, thank you. Got think they need sharpening, my punches. Right, okay, so round all the corners the best you can. You don't have to. It is, like I say, these are so customizable. It's absolutely up to you. Just going to take that bit off there. Right, so that is your basic envelope. All right, so now you just need to fill that gap however you want to do it. I think this one would look best in there. So you literally just need a bit. That's a bit too tall. Okay, I might have made these a bit large. You could always rip them down again, obviously. So what about you? Oh, you'll do. Right, okay, so you just need it that it'll overlap there and it'll overlap under here. Okay, so I'm just going to make a small mark there, and I'm going to get my trimmer, which is there. Trim that down. Just use your scissors, doesn't have to be done with a trimmer. Okay, and then lay it in there. This is the way I do it. I mean, I can't remember how the others did it. Okay, it doesn't have to go right to the bottom because obviously we're going to be folding that up, and you don't have to leave a gap if you don't want to, but I do. If you want to ink your edges, it's probably best to do it now, and I will do mine, especially this bit here because this is very white, this paper inside. If you're not vintaging, then just, you know, just leave it, whatever, but I think that'll be alright. Actually, I'm not going to do the rest of it. Okay, so that there, just make sure they will overlap your piece. Get your glue. Now don't glue here. Ask me how I know that. This is almost empty. Okay. I tend to do it one edge at a time, because there have been a few failures. I say this is just paper, this blue bit is just quite a lightweight one actually, it's not a heavyweight paper at all. Now this is the bit where you get to choose if you want a tuck spot in there or not. It's completely up to you. I might stick this one flat actually. No, yes I will, yeah. Okay, so obviously you just need to, yeah, if you wanted to have a tuck spot, just don't glue along the top here, just glue the sides. And essentially that's it. Your pocket is done. But it's a great way, it's a real scrap buster, and that is what Septeria 18 is doing at the moment. She's doing a real good scrap buster series. So yeah, so there we are. So I've got enough fodder here to make a load, so I shall get on and do that once I shut down this video. Might put on one of my ready-made, come on Susan, don't think that's quite the right colour. Artie May shows you how to do these, so check out her channel. What should we have? Whatever you want on them. I'd say do some stamping, do, yeah, whatever you want really. Nope, nothing on those. Right, I've been using these like mad. I must make some more. Funny feeling that bird might look pretty good on there. Look. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it overlaps there either. Yeah, quite liking that. Right, okay. Sold. Yeah, I really enjoy making these, and because I have got the biggest box of scraps ever, and I need to start using it, and I was going to do a big collage masterboard, which I'm still planning to do, but I lost my pin. There it is. But yeah, I thought these were a really good idea. So anyway, so yeah, there we are. All right. Really simple, isn't it? Really simple, but what a way you can really customise the heck out of these, whatever you want to do. I've got all my little labels and things all sorted up there. Yeah, so I'll just lay those there for you. And that is just a quickie. There we are. Right, have a go. They're really good fun. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.